has a rung 25 centimeter apart. The rungs decreases uniformly in a length from 45 centimeter at the bottom to 25 centimeter at the top. Is it? If the top and the bottom of rungs are 2.5 meter apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rungs? Is it? So SN you have to find, but we have to find N first. Is it? What is the total length? 2.5 meter. So first we have to convert them into a centimeter. So if you convert them 2.5 into centimeter, you will get 250 centimeter. And the distance between the rung is 25 meter apart. Is it? Apart means the distance between the two rungs is 25 meter apart. Yes. So first we have to find the number of rungs. How we can find the number of rungs? This whole length divided by the 25. Is it? Okay. Plus 1. Now in this case we have to understand why we are doing plus 1. See, take an example. Suppose this is a line segment you have A and B. Is it? It has to be divided into two equal parts. Is it? Two equal parts. So how many parts you will make? 1. Okay. If you put 1 here, if you divide 1, say C, it will divide it into two equal parts. Suppose again you say A and B. Is it? Suppose it is divided into 3 equal parts, but actually what will do? 1, 2, and third one automatically third part will be there. See, third part. So if we break into C and D, the third part is automatically done. So therefore when we divide the whole ladder length, it is 250 meter, and number of rungs we have to find. So what we will say that here 1 will be plus. So 250 divided by the distance between the rungs. Distance between the rung is 25. So 25, and this is plus 1. This is the first one or the last one. We are not able to calculate, so we have to find the number of rungs. Is it? So 1 will be plus. So 250 divided by 25, it will be plus 1. So 250 if you divide, then 10. 10 plus 1 is will be 11. So number of rungs will be 11. Now you understand why we do plus 1. See, if you divide, again the line segment is divided into 3 equal parts, but actually what we make? 2 part only, and third is become automatically. So the rungs also, if you divide the whole length of the length by the distance between the two rungs, then you have to add plus 1. Is it? Okay, because if you calculate from the bottom distance between them, so these are counted, but the last one is not counted. Is it? We start from first here, then distance between this is 2 is counted, the last one is not able to count, so that we will say that it is plus 1. So see here, the length of the ladder is 2.5 meters. So if convert them into centimeter, we get 250 centimeter. Number of rungs is 250 divided by 25 plus 1. Now you understood why we do plus 1. Okay, so that will get 11. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. So we know the bottom and the top is given. The first term and the last term is given. Is it? It started with the bottom 45 and last term is n, which is top 25. So you will get and substitute S11. We got N11. So S11 is equal to 11 by 2. 45 plus 25. 40 plus 25 is 70. So 11 by 2. Is it? If you divide it, you will get 35. 35 into 11 is 385. So the length of the wood required for the rung is 385 centimeter. Let's move on to fourth question. The house of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49, so that there is a value of x such that sum of the number of the house preceding means before the house x. Okay, so it will become, if it is x is here, then preceding will become x minus 1. Is it? Preceding the house, what is written? The sum that, so that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers of house preceding the house number x is equal, preceding the house number x means x minus 1 is equal to the sum of the number of house followed by it. Followed by this means x plus 1. Is it? We have to find out the value of x. So suppose we number it to 1 to 49. Here we take it as x. Preceding will become x minus 1 and followed by it will become x plus 1. Is it? Now how we can write, if we want to find x minus 1, x minus 1 will be equal to what? Is it? Sum of the house number. Sum of the house number means as x minus 1, which will be equal to what? Whole this 49, s 49 minus x. Is it? If you subtract this is whole is x. Is it? If you subtract x, this much x from the whole 49, you will be getting that as x minus 1. Is it? So what we get formula? We get a formula as x minus 1, which will be equal to whole 49 house minus s of x. Is it? If you subtract s of x minus, you will get x minus 1. Is it? Okay. So first we have to find as x minus 1. Understood? Then we have to find what is the value of s49 minus s of x. Is it? So let's find first as x minus 1. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. If you use this formula, you get n is equal to x minus 1 by 2. A is what? Now the first term of this side is what? 1. So 1. What is the last term? X minus 1. Is it? Not x. It is will be x minus 1. We are calculating up to this. Then x. Is it? So s of x minus 1 will be equal to x minus 1 by 2. A is 1 and last term of this is x minus 1. Okay. If you simplify, okay, open the bracket. So minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel out. We'll get x into x minus 1 by 2. So open the bracket and multiply it. Okay, so what we'll get? X into x minus 1. X minus 1 into x by 2. Now second part is to find s49 minus s of x. s49 will be 49 by 2 a plus l. What will be here a now? Is it? This much is subtracted. So for 49 it will be 1 to 49. So first term is 1 and the last term is 49. So it will be 49 plus 1. Okay, s of x. S of x we are finding. Is it? So what will be the first term? We have this much from the whole. From the whole this much is removed, we will get. Okay. So what we start from? 1. And what will be the n? X. If we subtract this one, is it? From the whole 49, you will be getting x minus 1. Okay, x of minus 1. So what do you say? It will be a will be 1, x, l will be x. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get 2 to 5, and here x you start. Okay, x and first term is a and the last term is x. If you simplify this, you will get x by 2. 1 plus x, which will be equal to what? S x of minus 1. And if you substitute what is s of minus 1 here and equal to 49, 2 to 5 minus, the minus will come on this side. If you take a LCM of this, which is 2, you will multiply it, then you will get x square minus x, x into x square. So minus x plus will cancel out. 2 to 5 will be equal to 2x square, 2x square by 2, 2 and 2 will cancel, so x square is equal to 2, 1, 2, 2, 5. Is it? This will be equal to 35. Okay, fine. Again you see here what is written? We have the house number 49, 1 to 49. X is there. Preceding means x minus 1 and followed by it means x plus 1. Okay. Suppose we want to know this thing, what is the value of s? S x minus 1, sum of the house before or preceding the x. Okay, preceding the x. What will be value of it? It will be S49 minus S of x will be equal to this. Is it? Okay. So what we will find? As x minus 1. As x minus 1. The first term is 1. The last term will be x minus 1. Okay. Suppose up to this much. Okay. Understand? And what will be S49? S49, the first term will be 1 and the last term will be 49, isn't it? Now we have to see S of x. S of x means the first a term is 1 and the last term is x. Okay, so if we what will get S x minus 1, S x minus 1 will be equal to S49 minus S of x. Is it? Okay. Yes, at a football ground comprises of 15 steps each, so n is equal to 15, of which is 50 meter long and built of a solid concrete. Each step has use of 1/4 meter and the thread of 1/2 meter. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. Is it? So let me see in the question what is that here. A small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50 meter long, built of solid concrete. Each step has raise of 1/4 meter and treated of 1/2 meter. Calculate the total volume of the concrete required to build. Okay, so what we say here, suppose this is a say first steps. So what we say here, it is a 50 meter long. So this is 50 meter long and raise 1/4. Is it? Each step is raised 1/4 means this is 1/4. Each step is raised 1/4 means this is steps is 1/4, and what is that? Treat of or we can say half meter. So this is of half. This is what is of half meter. So we can say that this is half meter. This is what? 50 meter. Is it? And this is of the height, which is of 1/4. Each step is raised is 1/4. So second step, when it is come here, what will be the height of it? 1/4 plus 1/4. Is it? First step will be 1/4 plus 1/4. This will be from height. So first height is 1/4. Second will be 1/4 plus 1/4. Third will be here like this, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Is it? And what will be remain same? 50 into this height. The height will only increase with each step. So each step will be increases by 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Is it? So see here, the volume of the concrete required to build the first step is 50 into 1/4 into 1/2. So if you simplify, you will get 25/4 meter cube. For second step, it is remain same. What is 50 and half? What is increasing? 1/4 plus 1/4. Is it? As I said, first step is increases here 1/4. Second will be 1/4 here. So 1/4 plus 1/4. For third step, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So for the third step, 50 into half, 1/4 plus 1/4. Is it? So 3 you will get 3/4. If you simplify this, then you will get 75/4. So we got AP 25/4, 25/2, 75/4. A is equal to 25/4. D is equal to what we say 25/2 minus 25/4. It will be also 25/4. So Sn we have to find. Total volume we have to find. So Sn is equal to n/2, 2a n minus 1. We said how many steps are there? 15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2 into 25 by 4 plus 15 minus 1, 14, 25 by 4. If you simplify this, you will get 15 by 2, 25 by 2. If you multiply this thing, if you simplify, it will be 2. And yes, 7. 7 25 is 175 by 2. So LCM is 2. So 25 plus 175 is 200. 200 divided by 2, it is 100. Is it? You can divide as 100. Is it? And this 2 again you simplify, then 100 will become 50. So it is 15 into 50, that is S15 is equal to 750. Okay. Thank you.